Subtraction. Let us learn some basic thing about subtraction. Minuend. The number from which another number is to be subtracted is called minuend. It is the greater number of a given number of subtractions. Subtrahend. The number which is to be subtracted is called the subtrahend. It is the smaller number of a given number of subtraction. Difference. The result of subtracting subtrahend from the minuend is called the difference. Let us first learn subtraction in large numbers without borrowing. Step 1. Write the numbers in column form. Step 2. In the given two numbers, find out which is greater and which is smaller. Step 3. Arrange numbers in column, putting the greater number on the top and smaller number below that. Step 4. Subtract ones from ones, tens from tens, 100 from hundreds, 1000 from thousands, and so on. Let us see an example. Subtract 1,36,421 from 5,69,874. 5,69,874 is greater number. Arrange the in a column one below the other. Now start subtracting. Subtracting ones. 4 ones minus 1 ones is equal to 3 ones. We write 3 under the ones place. Subtract tens. 7 tens minus 2 tens is equal to 5 tens. We write 5 under the tens place. Subtract 100 place. 800 minus 400 is equal to 400. We write 4 under the 100 columns. 1000 place. Subtract 1000 place. 9000 minus 6000 is equal to 3000. We write 3 under the 1000 column. Subtract 10,000 column. 6 10,000 minus 3 10,000 is equal to 3 10,000. We write 3 under the 10,000 column. Subtract lakh. 5 lakh minus 1 lakh is equal to 4 lakh. We write 4 under the lakh column. Thus, 5,69,874 minus 1,36,421 is equal to 4,33,453. Okay. Let us give one more example. Find the difference between 5,031 and 5,462. Here see. Both the number given have the same 4 digits. They are the digit, the thousand place are the same. So, find out the greater number by comparing 100 place. 4 is greater than 0. So, 5,462 is greater than 5,031. Now, arrange them in column. Okay. Subtract ones. 2 ones minus 1 ones is equal to 1 ones. So, we write 1 under the ones column. Subtract tens. 6 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 3 tens. So, we write 3 under the tens column. Subtract 100. 400 minus 000 minus 400 minus 000 is equal to 400. Because we know अगर एक नंबर से 0 माइनस करना है वही नंबर हमको मिल जाता है. ओके. देन 100 400 minus 000 is equal to 400. So we write 4 under the 100 column. Okay. Thus 5462 minus 5031 is equal to 431. Subtraction of large number with borrowing. Subtraction of large number with borrowing. When the value of the digit at a place in minuend is less than the value of the digit at the same place of subtrahend, we borrow one from higher place. This is called regrouping of number. What is that? This is called regrouping of numbers. I will explain with an example. Okay. Take two numbers. 63,484 and 37,589. Arrange them in a column. Okay. Subtract ones. Here we cannot subtract 9 from 5 because 9 is greater than 5. In that case, we should borrow 1. Where? From the tens of the first number, that is from 8. Now 5 become 15. Now we can deduct 9 from 15. So 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Now we write 6 under the ones column. Subtract tens. Again 8 tens cannot be subtracted from 7 tens. We borrow 100 from 400. Now we have 300 and 17 tens in the minuend, and 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Now we write 9 under the tens column. Subtract hundreds. But 500 cannot be subtracted from 300s. Okay. We borrow 1000 from 3000. Now we have 2000 and 1300s. Now we have 2000s and 1300s in the minuend. So 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Write 8 under the 100 column. Okay. Subtract thousands. But 7000 cannot be subtracted from 2000s. We borrow 1 10,000s from 6 10,000s. Now we have 5 tens thousands and 12,000s in the minuend, and 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. We write 5 under the 1000 column. Subtract 10,000s. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Write 2 under the 10,000 column. Thus we get 63,485 minus 37,589 is equal to 25,896. Thank you.